Site Series presents Celebration of Eid Festival. If you are new at our channel, then subscribe our channel. Eid al-Fitr is one of the most significant and joyous occasions in the Muslim calendar. This religious celebration marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, prayer, and self-reflection. The festive atmosphere, expressions of gratitude, and acts of charity find the essence of this joyous occasion for Muslims around the world. Eid al-Fitr follows the month of Ramadan, during which Muslims engage in fasting from dawn to sunset. This period is not only a test of self-discipline, but also an opportunity for spiritual growth, reflection, and increased devotion to Allah. The culmination of this spiritual journey is celebrated with great enthusiasm on the day of Eid al-Fitr. The commencement of Eid is determined by the sighting of the new moon, which signifies the end of Ramadan. Muslim communities eagerly await the announcement, and once the moon is sighted, preparations for Eid festivities begin. The day of Eid begins with a special congregational prayer, known as Salah or Eid. Muslims gather at mosques or designated prayer grounds, donned in their best attire, to offer this communal prayer. The prayer is a symbol of unity, gratitude, and devotion to Allah. Before the Eid prayer, Muslims are required to give zakat al-Fitr, a form of charity aimed at ensuring that even the less fortunate can partake in the celebrations. This act of giving reflects the values of compassion and generosity within the Muslim community. After the Eid prayer, the atmosphere transforms into one of joy and celebration. Families and friends come together to share special meals, exchange gifts, and express gratitude. Traditional dishes are prepared, adding a culinary delight to the festivities. Eid al-Fitr is a time for forgiveness and reconciliation. Families come together to seek forgiveness from one another, fostering harmony and strengthening familial bonds. This act of forgiveness emphasizes the importance of compassion and understanding. Homes are adorned with lights and decorations, creating a festive ambience. It is common for people to visit friends and relatives, spreading joy and sharing the happiness of the occasion. These visits reinforce the sense of community and togetherness. One of the most beautiful aspects of Eid al-Fitr is its celebration of cultural diversity within the Muslim community. While the core traditions remain the same, the way people celebrate varies across regions, showcasing the richness of customs, attire, and cuisines. Eid al-Fitr is a time of reflection, gratitude, and joyous celebration. It brings people together, fostering a sense of unity and compassion. As Muslims around the world mark the end of Ramadan, the essence of Eid lies not only in the festivities but also in the values of love, kindness, and community that define this auspicious occasion. May the blessings of Eid al-Fitr extend to all, transcending boundaries and fostering understanding among diverse communities. Eid Mubarak. Thanks for watching Site Series. If you liked the video, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.